Did you know Bitcoin is booming? You
Is
big
it?
Bitcoin guy, Will?
Not really,
Yeah, not really.
but
Actually,
it's interesting.
biggest chunk of Bitcoin I had, I misplaced it.
Yeah, you should tell the story.
No, I don't know. I mean, there's
Why
not
not?
much to the story. It's just misplaced.
Oh,
Bitcoin is up $400 today. At this point, the point we're filming this, 12,296. PayPal has received a conditional bit license from the New York State Department of Financial Services and will launch a service for users to be able to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrency. PayPal. You ever heard of PayPal?
mm-hmm.
That's a big deal.
Yeah, I use it all the time.
Yeah, it's a big deal. So now, if right in your PayPal account, you can just keep, hold, buy. The company is introducing the ability to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrencies.
I feel like this is done before.
Coinbase.
Yeah.
Yeah, but PayPal is a brand that the general public is comfortable with, and they already have the accounts,
Right.
and they already have the funds, and they already have the bank account attached. So it's not as much extra work for people who have been, that Bitcoin, and then they're like me, like, where would my wallet be right now if I had chucked all those Bitcoins over there? I
Man,
probably had like 20 Bitcoin.
that's a big chunk of change right now. I mean, can't believe it.
I prefer
believe it.
the story anyways.
Yeah, it's a fun story.
Anyway, it's not just Bitcoin. If initially they're going to feature Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. I didn't think they'd have the altcoins as well in there, so that's kind of cool. The service will be available to PayPal account holders in the U.S. in the coming weeks. Here's a quote from the CEO of PayPal. The shift to digital forms of currency is inevitable, bringing with it clear advantages in terms of financial inclusion and access, efficiency, speed, and resilience of payment system, and the ability for governments to disperse funds to citizens quickly. Our global reach, digital payments expertise, and so forth are the reason this is a big deal. I agree with him. Will.
You do.
PayPal is uniquely poised to push the Bitcoin agenda. And so I understand why it's up, and I understand why PayPal is excited about it. So the Bitcoin boys can celebrate. It's getting more real every day, doing things with Bitcoin.